Welcoming the third batch of Lila scholars for our Artificial Intelligence education courses. WiselyWise conducted a virtual orientation session to start their AI journey. 200 LPF scholars attended the session along with the LPF management to onboard onto our AI courses. The session started with a welcome note by our COO Hamsa Chandrakumar, who also shared the importance of AI education and about WiselyWise. Followed by this, we shared information about the two courses, Basics of AI Without Hype and Conversational AI Foundation. There was an icebreaker session with an AI Bollywood quiz, and winners got badges designed with Bollywood themes. Students were given an overview of our AI education platform called WiseCentral, and all the LPF girl scholars were enrolled in our courses. The team went on to explain the steps on how to log in and access the WiseCentral platform and the courses. On completion of the login process, the top 3 students were given badges of appreciation. We then shared how students can request support during our AI education program by using Support Central, a support platform specially provided by WiselyWise. Another fun activity was introduced to get students excited about AI and explore their understanding of AI in daily life through an innovative game.
Okay, so hello Smita, welcome to the stage, and you can share your thoughts on have you heard of AI before and what it is.
No, ma'am. Actually, I only know that AI is artificial intelligence related to
That's good.
robotics and all.
Okay.
I'm excited to learn actually.
The winners were given special badges for their excellent answers. Finally, the WiselyWise team conducted a survey and a poll related to the event, and the students shared their feedback on their overall experience with us.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Session was very wonderful. I enjoyed it, and we learned many things from this session. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. I thank also LPA Foundation for this course. I think we learned many things, and it took a step for our future.
Ma'am, so I would like to thank Hamsa ma'am, also Saundarya ma'am, for giving us the opportunity. And really, the course is very interesting. It seems to be interesting, and it encourages us to acknowledge the knowledge about this new field, that is artificial intelligence. And we are blessed to be part of this course, and it's just because of Hamsa ma'am and Lila Poonawala Foundation. So once again, thank you ma'am for giving us the opportunity to enhance the skills of artificial intelligence.
So ma'am, first of all, I would like to thank everyone who have come for this session in spite of their colleges and everything. They have managed to come for this session. And special thanks to Hamsa ma'am, being so busy, giving 3 hours of her time. I mean, it's really very appreciated, ma'am. Thank you so much. And special thanks to Saundarya, who takes a lot of efforts, as always, to make this session a successful one. As always, she made last time also. So this time, as it has been a wonderful one, because we have taken all these 157 girls were there on board today, and they have you have helped them how to log in, and you have explained each and every step so well, and they have logged in and followed all the guidelines whichever you have given them. So thank you so much.
We are very happy to share that all 200 Lila scholars have been enrolled in our courses and have started their AI learning journey with us. Thanks for watching.